In Ukraine, a Russian makeshift rocket launcher was discovered. On social media, a video showing a truck-mounted rocket launcher used by Russian military has started to go viral. On the UAZ Patriot pickup truck platform, Russian military have constructed a Frankenstein-like artillery system with a UB-32 57mm aviation rocket pod in the back of the truck. One such system is seen firing S-5 unguided rockets in a video that is making the rounds online and is located somewhere in the Zaporizhzhia region. Military aircraft employ the Soviet Air Force-developed S-5 rocket armament to strike targets on the ground. The Russian Aerospace Forces and other export customers both use it. Helicopters and fighter bombers both utilize this type of missile. It is made up of a solid fuel rocket housed in a steel body and a high-explosive warhead with a mechanical impact fuse. An extended exhaust nozzle with 8 attached forward-folding fins is located at the back of the rocket. When a rocket is stored in its launch tube, its fins fold over it. Once the rocket is released from the launch tube, the fins immediately spring back into place. The rocket's fins, which are very slightly inclined and rotate at about 750 revolutions per minute, stabilize it while it is in flight. The solid rocket motor burns for just 1.1 seconds, covering around 300 meters, 980 feet, during that period.